graph the equation y equals 3x minus 2. Select integers for x starting with -2 and ending with 2. So our first step is to find several ordered pairs that are solutions of the equation. So we're going to start with -2. So here we're going to find our plots for x, y, which is 3x minus 2, and our plot of x and y. So when x is -2, we have y equals 3 times x, which is -2 minus 2. So 3 times -2 is -6, minus 2 is -8. So we have a plot of -2, -8. So now we want to find a plot when y is -1. When x is -1. So now we're going to find our y coordinate. So we have 3 times x, or -1, minus 2. So 3 times -1 is -3, minus 2 is -5. So our plot is -1, -5. So now we're going to find our plot when x is 0. So to find our y coordinate, we're going to substitute 0 for x. 3 times x, or 3 times 0, minus 2 equals 3 times 0 is 0, minus 2 is -2. So our plot is 0, -2. Now we're going to find our coordinate when x is 1. So to find our y coordinate, we're going to substitute 1 for x. So we have 3 times x, or 3 times 1, minus 2. 3 times 1 is 3, minus 2 is 1. So we have a plot of 1, 1. Now lastly, we're going to find our plot when x is 2. So to find our y coordinate, we're going to substitute 2 for x. So we have 3 times x, or 3 times 2, minus 2 equals 3 times 2 is 6, minus 2 is 4. So we have a coordinate of 2 and 4. Now we're going to plot these ordered pairs in our rectangular coordinate system. So here we have -2, -8. So this means we're going to start at our origin. We're going to go -2 places to the left and 8 places down because we have -8. So here's the location of -2, 8. Now we're going to find our plot of -1, -5. So we go 1 place to the left and 5 places down to -5. So here's the plot of -1, -5. Now we're going to find our plot of 0, -2. Well, we're already at 0. So now we're going to move 2 places down to -2. So here's the plot of 0, -2. Now we're going to find our plot of 1, 1. So we move 1 place to the right and 1 place up to 1, 1. And lastly, we have a plot of 2, 4. So we're going to move 2 places to the right and 4 places up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's the plot of 2, 4. Now we're going to connect the points with a smooth curve or line. So all we're going to do is just draw a line through our points. And that's the graph of y equals 3x minus 2.